Mr. William Gates, he is a voluntary worker at Great Ormond Street Children's Hospital.
Please.
On the question of life after death, does Islam believe the same as Christianity? And if we all meet and there are differences on earth, are these differences resolved after death?
This question is rather vague because he has not explained what Christians believe. So how can I compare it? But I can generally speak on this subject based on the authority of the Quran and the Holy Prophet of Islam, peace and blessing of Allah be upon him. The concept of a paradise, which seems to be a physical thing, somewhere in the universe or beyond the borders of the universe, is false. The Holy Quran rejects this concept, and at the same time it rejects the concept of a physical hell anywhere in the world. The Holy Quran very clearly says, I'll quote this verse. I know, but it has just slipped me. I don't want to attribute anything or a word wrongly to God. So I'll tell you this verse. It means, I know the meaning anyway, it means that make haste to get the forgiveness of God and to enter His paradise, whose expanse is like the expanse of the entire universe. When this verse was recited by Ahmad to his companions, they were amazed. He said, "O Prophet of God, if the expanse of the heaven is like the expanse of the entire universe, then where would hell go then? Where would hell be?" Ahmad answered that it will be there, but you do not understand. The same space, time space, whatever you call it, which will be occupied by heaven, will also be occupied by hell, but the people of hell would not know what the people of heaven are and what they are doing, so the vice versa. Really? Today I was reciting the Holy Quran and I went through this part, and I thought I must remember it clearly so that it may come as a question. And look here, it met me. Now I have forgotten. We'll find out. Let's go to the next question, please.